Hey you guys, it's Alexis, aka Lexionnabeat, aka here today with another one. And y'all, today's video is gonna be all about my hair, y'all. This hairstyle right here. I love it, I love it. So if you guys wanna know all the details to the hairstyle and how I achieved this hairstyle, then stay tuned and keep on watching. The first thing I did, you guys, was mark my cap. Marking your cap gives you a guideline on where you want to lay your tracks. I highly recommend this if you are new at making wigs. This helped me a lot. I didn't follow it to the T, but it definitely helps you start off. So basically now I'm just gonna start sewing. I'm just measuring out where I want the wefts to lay at. I feel like this step is super self-explanatory. Since my wefts are cut, I just put the pieces in where they fit in best. Also, you guys, do not mind the glue. I tried to get it off as much as I could, but there is still some glue left on these wefts. So I decided to stop sewing my tracks on and start sewing my frontal one. This is also another super important step, you guys, because you need to know where to stop your tracks at. So whether it's your closer, your frontal, whatever, I highly recommend you sew it on first. Now here's where I sewed my transitional track. I decided to sew this because I wanted a really like flat, flawless transition from the frontal to the tracks. So I just basically sewed a track straight across the top, like you guys see I'm doing here, and that really gives it that nice flat look that you want. To close this wig off, all I did was start sewing my tracks in a U shape and filling in that little spot. Be careful, you guys, because if you sew too many tracks right there, the wig can get bulky at the top, and that's what we do not want. And boom, girl, look at that. She is flat, okay? She is flat. Look how flawless that little transition is. The hair just covers it right up. Y'all, this came out good. Onto the color, I'm using a 112 indigo blue and a 148 pink blush. Oh my god, you guys, these colors are so fire together. Now, do not mind my application process. I didn't have my brushes with me. This was one of the messiest things I could have ever done to myself. But sis, it came out fire. Trust the process, please.
It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
So you guys, before I put my wig on, I used my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the level 14, I believe, and put that all over my lace. This lace came a little bit on the gray side, so this foundation really did help me match my skin color a lot more. Now you see me making a vertical slit in my lace. That's because my frontal was starting to buckle. I could tell that it was going to start buckling because it just wasn't laying as flat as it should. So if you guys ever have that issue, all you need to do is just cut a vertical slit and it'll lay down perfectly fine after that. Now, I pretty much never use the wig cap method. I don't know, we just kind of have a love-hate relationship when it comes to the wig cap method, girl. So all I do is make sure that I'm putting the gel above my hairline, and honestly, I'm fine. I would not do this with any type of wig glue though. I feel like that's very dangerous to the edges. Now, peep the lace trying to lift off my forehead. That's because the glue was still a little wet. But once I lay it down, everything came all together. Trust the process. Trust the process. He not the father, y'all. The trash belong in a dumpster. She said, calm down.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye. Niggas be past tense. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up? This life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spend, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I die. You can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spend, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I die. She got a toy, keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spend, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. We don't start up till I die. You can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spend, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. We don't start up till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action.
Now, I did not flat iron this wig bone straight because I really wanted that wavy kind of messy look still, not that bone straight perfect look. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is one of my favorite hairstyles ever to do. I literally love this hairstyle so much. I think it brings out my punk rock side. Like, it's so cute. I literally love this hairstyle so much. I love how this color came out. The color came out so cute. I love everything about this install. I think this is fire. I don't know, y'all let me know. Do y'all agree? Do y'all think this install is fire? Let me know. I think I did a great job for this actually being like my first time making a wig. Doing research on YouTube, trying to find you guys good affordable hair sites. So I've been doing trial and error, basically just seeing what's some good websites that I could give you guys so you guys can get some good affordable hair. I came across this company called the Gabrielle store, guys. Amazon, okay guys, everybody could get Amazon. It was called the Gabrielle hair store, you guys. Now originally I was going for a quick weave type of hairstyle, like a half up half down quick weave hairstyle. You guys, that right here, I'll put it on the side of the screen or pop it up somewhere or whatever. So side note, I wore this hair for about 3 weeks as a quick weave before I decided I really liked it and turned it into a wig. Like, we've all been there, like going on Amazon trying to find affordable hair, and then like when we go to the comments and reviews, it's like half are good, half are bad. Like usually it's a 50-50 chance. So I'm like, okay, I was going in thinking like this hair not about to last me that long. I'm about to do a quick weave style and I'm about to go on with my day. So I had my mom glue in the tracks in the back, and then I just pretty much put the frontal on and just wore it like that. Like I said, I'll show you guys how that looked. And upon like wearing that hair and straightening it and sleeping in it, this time doing it, so it was just in a bonnet, it never tangled, it never got like all nasty. Upon bleaching the knots, like the knots bleached so nice. I actually accidentally over bleached the knots, and I'm like, hold up, I kind of like this hair, but I cut the wefts. I don't know how I did this, but I did it. Like, it came out nice. It came out real nice. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm messing with it. This side could have been done a little better, but you know, practice makes perfect. And I just love this messy look. Like, it's something about it just makes me like happy. Okay, so I ordered the 22, 24, and 26 plus a 20-inch frontal. And the total for all of that plus shipping and taxes was $184. So before like shipping and taxes and all that, it came out to $172.99. So y'all know, if y'all get any type of bundles, any type of anything for that matter, of lengths like 26 inches, you paying $200 and something to $300 on a regular company website. And that's real. First received the bundles, they did look thin, but my wig is full, y'all. Like, I would definitely say this hair is like a regular, like a mid to high density. All 3 bundles. Now you got to use all 3 bundles. I used all 3 bundles. I probably left out maybe like this much of a track or so. Yeah, like this much of a track, because it just simply couldn't fit and I didn't have time for that. Really, really good, you guys. It's true to length. I was blown away with this hair. I honestly was blown away with this hair, like for real. I didn't think it was gonna be like this, but I am so happy that I found some hair for you guys. I'm like, oh my god, I need to get my peoples some, you know, some secret gems, you know, where they could get them some hair and be cute, you know, however they decide to do it. Whether it's a wig, a quick weave, whether you want to sew it in, whatever you want to do. I'm like, I need to find some hair. Some people said they had problems, but me personally, I didn't have any problems. This is my first time using their hair. I bought it with my money, and I feel like it's worth a try. Here, I think I found another secret little place where you guys can get you some affordable hair and don't have to spend $200+ I feel like 200 is always my limit. I don't know if I ever said this before, but I feel like 200 is my limit. And once I start getting past 200, I'm like, I don't want the hair. No. Y'all, so I tried to show y'all the back, but it's not working out. If you guys want to check this hair out, it's going to be down below in the description box. I know I took a pause in my YouTube, but I had to get some things situated, and I am now situated. So I would definitely be bringing my content back. I'll see you guys in the next one.